y'all, Jim Pankey here with an old favorite of mine, the Dixie Hoedown. And I think you'll like this one. A lot of times you'll hear banjo players play this in the melodic style, but I like to do it in a more Scruggs style, as you just heard. And it's great because your break on this tune usually doesn't happen immediately. So you can get away with some Scruggs style on this. Plus, it's just a practical break. And I think folks are going to like it. And I think you're going to like learning to do it. So let's go learn this thing. Hey, if you like this sort of content, how about a like button there? Hit that like and maybe leave a comment. Do you play this tune? I'd love to hear your break. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, now would be a great time to do that. So hit that button. And if you want to get notifications when I post new stuff, ring the bell. All right, folks, Dixie Hoedown. I started off just a super simple little intro. It's just 2 notes. It's just first string and then the second string at the first fret. But really, you could do whatever you wanted to do there. You just need some pickup notes. And then we're going to do Cripple Creek. So that's just the slide. And you can bend that slide just a little bit, kind of like Earl if you wanted. And then a pull off from 3 to 2. Second string, third open. So. And now we're going to grab a C chord. We're going to hammer to that 4th string. And we're going to do a forward roll. So 4, 2, 1, 5, 2. And then you can pick up everything, 5, 1. And then you're going to do Cripple Creek again. You with me? I know you are. And then we need another lick. And this one is just, let me play it for you. So we're going to hit the 3rd string at the 2nd fret with our thumb. And then we're going to play it open with our index on the 3rd string. So you could do it as a pull-off, but those are 8th notes. And your pull-offs have to be super clean. And I like to pick it, but your choice there. And then we're going to slide from 3 to 4 on the 4th string. But we're going to tag that. So we're going to hit that 1st string. So, and then pinch. So that sounds like, up to that point, now do it again. Cripple Creek. So that was the Cripple Creek. C chord. Now, instead of doing the pinch, hit the 5. And now we need a little tag lick. So I like to go hit the 1. And then we're going to do a slide from 2 to 3 on the 3rd string and a forward roll. So 3, 2, 1. Now 3rd string open with your index. 4th string, 2nd fret. 1st string open. So that sounds like. And then 3 pinch, 2 pinch. And all of that repeats. So let me play through that A part, the first part, slowly. So here we go. And you would do that twice, and that's the A part. Now for the B part, we're going to do a bunch of forward rolls here, but we're going to start them on the first string. So what I want you to hold is this G shape. It's a partial. Your index is on the second string, 3rd fret, and ring finger, first string, 5th fret. And you're going to have a lot of the same notes ringing, but trust the process. So we're going to do a forward roll. Start on 1. So 1, 5, 2, 1, 5, 2, 1, 5. All right. 1, 5, 2, 1, 5, 2, 1, 5. And now we're going to go to a partial D. All you got to do is slide back that one finger there. That puts us on 3 and 4. And it's the same roll. So 1, 5, 2, 1, 5, 2, 1, 5. And now you could slide back to C and do the same thing. So that would sound like. But I like to put this finger down right here on the C. So 1, 5, 2, 1. And so you're going to put that down on the 3rd fret. You can do that on the others too if you got the stretch. So on that G, you can reach to that 7th fret with your pinky. It's a big stretch, even for me. And then, so I'm just reaching to there, and that's bonus work. That's not in the tab. And yeah, there's a tab. All right, so let's listen to all of that again. So that's 1 and a hammer. So that's 2 to 3 on the 2nd string. It's very Foggy Mountain Breakdown-ish. Now, for the weirdest lick in this whole tune, and it's a Jim Pankey lick. I hope you enjoy it. So what you're gonna do is, let me play it for you. So you're gonna hold a D7 shape. You're gonna hit your 2nd string and do a pull off. So you need, now you're gonna put that D7 shape back down. 3, 2, 1. 2, and now you're gonna have to stretch a little. You're gonna reach over your 3rd fret on the 4th string with your ring finger, and you're gonna hammer with your pinky. And so 4, 1. So that sounds like. And then 4, pinch, 2, and then 5. And then that tag lick we did from the first part. And then we have to repeat it, but it'll be a little different this time. So we're going to still do the little walk down the same. Same funky D7 lick. So 4 pinch, 2 pinch, and then a 302 lick. And I know you know that, and if you don't, there's a link. But we've done this before. So we're going to slide from 2 to 3 on the 3rd string, and it's going to be a forward and reverse roll, and we're going to put our index finger down here, so it's going to sound like. Now pick that up. 1, 2, pull off. 3. So that's just. So let me play you that whole B part. Dixie Hoedown. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this one. Can't wait to hear y'all playing it. If you'll learn it, especially if you learn it from my version, post it. Show your friends. Show me. All right, folks. See you next time.